Hello friends, today we are going to study decarboxylation reaction, ozonolysis reaction and hydration reaction. Now we are going to prepare aldehydes and ketone with the help of decarboxylation reaction from calcium carboxylate. Now first the preparation of aldehydes and ketone from calcium carboxylate led by decarboxylation or dry distillation. Okay, first we prepared aldehyde from calcium carboxylate by dry distillation or decarboxylation. Okay, now to prepare aldehyde we must take the one molecule of calcium formate and the other molecule of calcium carboxylate. When these two molecules, that is the mixture of calcium formate and calcium carboxylate, when it heated at high temperature, that is called as dry distillation. The process is called as dry distillation or decarboxylation. Whenever we heated the calcium formate and calcium carbonate at high temperature, what happened? CaCO3 molecule is given out. Two molecule of CaCO3 molecule is given out, and this R is attached to this group, R C double bond OH aldehyde group, and this hydrogen attached to R C double bond OH. Therefore, we get two molecule of aldehyde and two molecule of CaCO, calcium carbonate is given out. Two molecule of calcium carbonate is given out. Aldehyde is obtained. In this way, we can prepare aldehyde from calcium carboxylate by decarboxylation reaction or dry distillation reaction. Now, if we want to prepare acetaldehyde from calcium carboxylate, then what happened? Whenever we replace this alkyl group by methyl group, that is CH3, that is when we react this calcium formate with calcium acetate, and whenever it is heated at high temperature, what happened? This CaCO3 molecule is given out, and CH3 is attached to C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH is attached to hydrogen, and we get acetaldehyde, CH3, that is acetaldehyde. In this way, we can prepare propionaldehyde and many other aldehyde by replacing this alkyl group. Now, if we want to prepare formaldehyde by dry distillation method or from calcium carboxylate, then what happened? If this calcium formate is heated at high temperature, CaCO3 molecule is given out. CaCO3 molecule is given out, and HC double bond OH, that is HC double bond OH, that is formaldehyde is obtained. Formaldehyde is obtained. In the same way, we can prepare ketone. We can prepare ketone. In the preparation of ketone, two molecule of calcium calcium carboxylate, that is the calcium carboxylate may be same or different. If they are different, we represent as R dash, C double bond O O C A, O C double bond O R dash. When two different carboxylate is heated at high temperature, CaCO3 molecule, two molecule of CaCO3 calcium carbonate is given out, and this R dash C double bond O R and R dash C double bond O R, that is two molecule of R dash C double bond O R, two molecule of ketone is obtained. Ketone is obtained. Calcium carbonate is given out. Now, if we want to prepare ethyl methyl ketone, that is CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. At one side there is a methyl, and other alkyl is nothing but the ethyl, CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2. That is, whenever calcium acetate and calcium propionate, that is the mixture of calcium acetate and calcium propionate is heated at high temperature, CaCO3 molecule is given out, and CH3CH2 C double bond O CH3, CH2 C double bond O CH3, that is two molecule of CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3, that is two molecule of ethyl methyl ketone or butane 2-one is obtained.